Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term textual criticism. Introduction. Textual criticism is a scholarly discipline concerned with establishing the principles and procedures for preparing and presenting the most accurate and authentic text of a literary or other work to the public. Its roots can be traced back to the early centuries when it was applied to biblical and classical texts, many of which had been transcribed and altered by scribes long after the original author's demise. Over time, textual criticism adapted to address various eras, including the early age of printed books and the availability of multiple editions and manuscripts. One prevailing principle was to seek the text that best reflected the author's original composition. Copy text theory. In the mid-20th century, the copy text theory gained prominence, initially propounded by W. W. Gregg and later expanded by Fredson Bowers. This theory aimed to establish a single authoritative or definitive text representing the author's final intentions derived from a chosen copy text that best approximated the original work. The scholarly editor would then amend the copy text to rectify errors and eliminate non-authorial changes. Post-structuralist challenges. Post-structuralist theories and discoveries of diverse textual variants challenged the notion of an ideal text. Scholars began to question the centrality of the author and appealed to the social construction of a text, considering contributions from editors, publishers, printers, and others. Jerome McGann's social theory of textual criticism emphasized the role of cumulative social history in determining textual authority. Exploration of multiple authorship. Further critiques emerged, such as Jack Stillinger's exploration of multiple authorship, demonstrating that the final printed text often resulted from the collaboration of various participants. As a result, the pursuit of a single definitive master text became increasingly impractical, leading to the adoption of textual versions theory. This approach acknowledges the continuous and evolving nature of a literary work's composition, recognizing each version as a legitimate product of the author's intentions at its specific time. Contemporary approach. Scholars such as G. Thomas Tansel have defended and modified the copy text theory. The consensus now tends towards selecting and editing textual versions based on specific circumstances and the editor's objectives. The focus shifts from establishing a definitive text to presenting a version that approximates the author's intentions or reproducing the original published text for readers. Conclusion. In conclusion, textual criticism has evolved over centuries, adapting to changing times and critical perspectives. The pursuit of an authoritative text has given way to considering diverse textual versions, acknowledging the dynamic nature of literary composition and the impact of social factors in shaping textual meanings. So this was the discussion on the term textual criticism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.